I have no degree. I have no experience in web development. I don't even really know how you build a website. And yet, after sending a little bit less than 10 emails, I landed my first web development freelancing job. My name is Oliver, and I'm working with Alec in his web development agency. My job basically is to make sure we get clients. I'm working on clients acquisition. But when I started, I really didn't know shit about email marketing. My background is in sales. I've been working in sales for the past 5 years, but I never really did any prospecting, any kind of marketing. All the clients I had were coming to me to buy my products. Sometimes I was offering a new product, a new idea. I was selling them. I was offering a product they didn't know they wanted or didn't even know existed. But every time I did that, I already had some kind of relationship with that person. I mean, I already had spoke to that person for about 15 minutes. It felt like I was speaking with a friend. I don't know how you see email marketing and prospecting and client acquisition, but what I just explained, what I did when I was a salesman in my past jobs, was really not the same thing than email marketing. So when I started working with Alec on this, he had to teach me everything he knew about email marketing because I knew nothing at all. So for about 5 hours, we sat down here, and on that board, he taught me everything he knew. It was pretty simple, but it felt like my brain was going to explode. He asked me questions, he made me do exercises and simulations, and after a while, he felt like I was ready and he let me free. At that moment, I was freaking out. The biggest problem I had with email marketing, and the reason I was so afraid of doing it, is that I did not really believe it would work. You know, on my email inbox, at that moment, I probably had 2,000 emails that I never read and that I will probably never read. You probably have the same kind of email inbox, right? The thing is, we know it's email marketing. So I thought, why would it be any different for the people I'm going to send email to? But hear me out. It's not the same thing at all. So when Alec set me free, for about 4 hours, I sat down and wrote 10 emails. Right now, it takes me less than 1 hour and I can write 10 emails and set up automated follow-up emails for the 10 prospects. I'm saying that so you understand that I really took my time on these first 10 emails. I really wanted to make sure it would work. So I did that, and about 2 days later, I came back to see if my 10 emails were getting any kind of replies. And it completely blew my mind and changed the way I saw email marketing forever. I got 2 replies. The first one, the guy was saying that he was not interested. He would have loved to buy a new website, but right now, because of COVID-19, his gym couldn't afford to. At that moment, I was reading that and I was so happy, so excited about this. Someone actually read my email, considered it, and replied. That was a big win for me at that time. And then the second email. It's a woman, and she owns one of the biggest CrossFit gym in Canada. In my initial email, I simply told her that her website was not working at all, and I offered to help. She replied that her website has been puzzling her for the past few months and that she really needs help. She tried many things, nothing works, and nobody can help her. She told me to call her back. So that's what I did. I was excited, so I immediately took my phone, called her, and she explained to me what was the problems she had with her website. She tried I don't know anything about web development. I'm not a web developer. So at that time, I'm the worst possible person she can speak to. I'm terrified. I don't know what to say. So I simply tell her, would you mind if I'm just calling you back in about 1 hour? I don't know if it's something we can help you with. I'm gonna check that out with my web developer. She understand. She tell me to call her back in about 2 hours. I hang up, go see Alec, and obviously he knows what's up. It's something simple. Any web developer could do it, but for some reason, nobody that she spoke to thought about it. Maybe the other web developers were not really paying attention. I don't know, but it was something simple and you could have done it too. So I take the phone, I call her back, and I tell her that we can help her and that it's gonna cost her about $1,700. She immediately took it. So just like that, after sending 10 emails, I landed my first web development freelancing job. Obviously, I was not the one building the website. I'm not a web developer. But it's no different than what you'll experience. The only difference is you're gonna do it. The only difference is it's gonna be simpler for you than it is for me. I wanna make you think about something just in case you have any doubts left. Look, it's normal that after sending 10 emails, I've got 2 replies. One was positive, one was negative. Imagine every time you log on your email account, check out your emails, it's possible that someone is sending you thousands of dollars, just like that. Would you read your goddamn emails? Of course you would. Well, that's pretty much what entrepreneurs are experiencing with their emails. Clients of theirs are sending them emails in which they ask to buy their products. So if you learn to do email marketing properly, the people you're going to send email to are going to read your email, consider your email, and maybe buy your product. But be careful, you cannot write any email. Email marketing is something that can be really easy. Anyone could do it. If I could do it, you could do it. But the thing is, you've got to have proper coaching. It is something that has to be learned. The reason why my first 10 emails worked so well is because I was sending emails to the right kind of company, a company that was in the right industry. It was also because I knew what they wanted. The thing is, you can't guess all of that. You've got to sell pie to someone who likes pie, someone who's hungry. All of that are things you can learn with the proper coaching. Not anyone can teach you that, but Alex's priority right now is to teach you guys exactly how to do email marketing, the same way he taught me how to do email marketing. Okay, I'm not supposed to talk about that, but there are some really exciting things Alec is working on right now. If you want to learn email marketing, you might want to stay tuned. Go subscribe, hit the notification bell, because what's coming next, you don't want to miss. That was all ever. See you soon, guys.